Yeah, hello fam. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. All this is HumbleFx, and it's been long that we posted video on this channel. It's been long, up to a month or two, because I'm very busy these days and all that. But today, let's start. I'm back, and we're gonna start where we stop. Okay. Happy New Year, happy December, happy whatever. Happy Valentine in advance. All right. I know you have been we want to get updates from me. We want to get new strategies to trade the financial market and make profits. And we are back to business. All right. This strategy you seen on this uh right now is the one we did last before I went offline, but there's a little modifications to it. So you pay attention to grab what I'm going to say. And also in this video, there is a giveaway I'm going to give. I'm going to give out a massive giveaway. So you have to watch to the end to get what I want to give to you. But first of all, the first requirement for you to get the giveaway is that you must be a subscriber in this channel. So to get the giveaway, just click on the subscribe button, share these videos, like it, comment on the comment section. All right, and also share the video to families and friends. Then you send me a message on Telegram. My Telegram link is uh on the video description. Send me a link with the screenshots of to prove that you are a subscriber and you are active. Then I will send you whatever you ask, depending on what I gave you as a giveaway. Okay, so let's proceed. Like I said earlier, subscribe to the channel and like, comment, and share. Okay, we trade most time boom and crash. This thing you see here is just a normal RSI, nothing else. Just your regular RSI that you normally use to trade. Yeah. And also the VIP is open. If you want to join the VIP, you are welcome. You are welcome to join the VIP if you want to join. All right, now let's get to work. First thing first, you want to look out for when you have the market came down. Let me show you what I'm trying to say so that you don't get confused. See, this market spike, this is crash 500, it spiked down. So I'm looking at this RSI, right? So now when this market started to cross over like this, I look at what is happening here. I see that it's already down to this level 10, going up. So I can pick my entry here. All right, even though I pick my entry here and my first TP should be at level 50 as usual, or I can take 5 pips. That is when I say 5 pips, because people always ask me what do I mean by 5 pips. Is it not is it the number of candles or what? No, a pip in boom and crash is just equal to the lot size you are using. A pip in boom and crash is just equal to the number of to the lot size. So if you're using lot size 0.2, so 1 pip there is going to be 0.2. 5 pips there is going to be $1. If you're using lot 1.0, 1 pip is $1. This is calculation based only on boom and crash, not other volatility indices. So take note about that. All right, now I said you take 5 pip when you see this cross, though it depends on the kind of market structure, because as we are seeing here, if I should zoom in a little bit so I can see better, you see that something that this market is ranging around here, around this place. There's a range here, also there's a range here. So even though this market already crossed here, I see it, and also I look down here, I see that to look at level here to take entry. When the market approaches here, I should be afraid because spike may happen. So I will not allow the market to even reach this place before I exit. I can exit at this other small level here. These things here can be effective. So you don't once you see market approach any of these levels, you close your market instantly. Even though whether it has reached 5 pips or not, just close it to avoid, because it might spike. Look at this one here. Yes, it's crossed here, but it reached this small level here, then it spiked. Okay, that is what I'm talking about. It crossed here, yes, but it reached this small level also and spiked. So we don't know that this thing will break out. We don't know. We are not the owner of the reef. Neither are we magician, so we don't know if it will break out yet or until it breaks. So when once the market comes to any of these small levels, you have to close your trade. Then once there's a breakout, that's when you can now ride it in and take longer distance. Now that is the first example. Now see another example here, guys. I'm showing you an example. Look at this is cross here. I saw this cross here. I look at this point. I see that there is less, so already come to this point and it's going up. So I will take my entry. You know, this one will meet. This one will meet first, but we don't take trade only on this one. We take trade when this main chart has already crossed and this one is also already meeting. Then we take our entry position instantly. Okay, then we take I said when once you reach a level close, see this levels here. These are levels here. You could see there is something happened there. Market spiked here, and if you trace it back, that place has been effective. Market came here, spike, came there, spike. So when it came here now, we might expect a spike. We don't know that it will break, but we are going to exit our market. Once the market come close to this point, we exit because we don't know if it will break it or spike. So we close to be conscious of ourselves. We close their place, or you just use level 50 here for first TP. All right, simple as that. You should see how easy it is to use this strategy. This is what we didn't know, but many of us don't use it. Now see this one too. There's a cross over here. There's a cross over here. I'm seeing it. So what do I do? I take my entry once I see this cross. And where's my TP? First TP. My first TP is this. I'm going to wait once the market comes to an already known level. Look at this level here. This place here. Look at this. See this point here, market spiked here, right? It moved up to this point too. It spiked. It spiked. So at this point now, we don't know if it will cross this level. So we will close at this point, so that until it crosses it, we will not enter again. So we just close here. We see that it broke out, but we have closed already. We are in profit, so you must not take your trade to the high, to where the market lands. Just make the important thing in this industry is to make profit. So you must not ride it to the high, to the very last point. Just take your profit, and that is it. All right. If you take your profit, you are good to go. You are good to go. Now see also what is happening right here. All right, there is a cross here. Here we have a double entry. There's a cross here. We see the market met here. So we take. I say you should take 5 pips first time. Five pips is your first TP. You could have take your TP somewhere here. And spike happened again. All right, this one did not reach where we need to reach, so we ignore it. Now there's a cross here. There's a market that made us enter here. We close where we wait for it to reach any of these levels here, or we just take 5 pips and we'll go away. We'll just go away. Something like that. Very simple as this. Let's check on other pair. This is crash indices. So if we can check on other indices here, I want to take entry here, but it's not meeting. Already you see that I told you guys that this one will meet first, but we don't enter only based on this one. We want to wait for this one to cross. So once this one crosses over here, I'm going to take entry here. This is boom 1500 rather. So I can check on the day time frame or higher time frame to see if it has a support in the market structure. And if I check out here, I see that this market is going to sell for sometimes, because the higher time frame is already at a certain supply zone. So I'm going to take entry. I'm going to take this entry right here. Where is my entry? Why am I taking entry if I should take entry here? Because there is levels here that I'm already seeing. If I zoom back here, you see this space here. This is 4 hour time frame. There is something happening here. Okay, if you trace this down here, you see that there's a level that is working at that point here. All right, so that is why I'll take this trade for a long trade. I want it to meet up first before I take the entry. Now let me check if I can see something else in crash 300. And so now here's crash 300 also. It also works the same way. But remember, this crash 300 is actually very volatile. Crash 200 is the most volatile of all the indices so far. It is volatile. So this strategy does not work so effective on this crash 200 and boom 300 because they are volatile more than every other boom and crash indices. So use the strategy mostly on the crash indices 300 and sorry, crash indices 500 and crash indices 1000. It is more recommended in those pairs. Okay, now that is your no. Now let me show you the settings of this. Let me show you the settings so I can give you the giveaway that I'm talking about. So what is the giveaway I'm talking about? The giveaway I'm talking about is this. You check on my YouTube channel. Okay, these indicators here, this is special indicator. That's the name. I call it special indicator. It is used to trade volatility 75, but you can also use to trade boom and crash also, but it is meant for volatility 75. Right now we have other indicators here. This also is a Kasa indicator, the premium version of Kasa indicator. This is it. So these indicators here, this is what is it called? I forgot the name of this indicator, but if you want it, this is belly system, nice one also that shows you the support on resistance levels. So if you want this indicator, if you want this indicator, if you want any of this indicator, I'll give it to you for free, free. You don't need to pay. If you check my channel, you will see that it is not free before. These my indicators on the channel. This indicator I sent you in the channel, so they are not free. But if you want to get them for free, just subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it, comment in the comment section, then screenshot your screen where you subscribe, liked and commented. Then you screenshot it and send to me. You send it and send me the indicator you want to get. I will send it to you ASAP. Okay, just subscribe to the channel. That is just the requirement. Subscribe, like the video, share to family and friends, comment in the comment section, then screenshot it, then send to me on Telegram. I'm going to see it, and you also send me the picture of the indicator that you want me to give you based on the one I showed you. Okay, so I will send it to you right away as a gift, as a free gift, so you don't need to pay me anything for that. All right, let's start this year with something different. All right, it's your right to get indicators from me since you are a subscriber and a follower. You will get it for free. No money is involved. All right, now what is the setting of this strategy? I told you guys, first thing first, we click on this F button. If you are a newbie, this is the F button. You click on this F button. Now we have only these things happening here. Sorry about this. Yeah, all right. As we are saying, I had a glitch of network, or maybe I don't know. Now, first thing first, we have the moving average in the main chart. We have period 11, shift 0, method is linear weight, apply to close, and the style I choose 4 pieces of purple, and you click on done. The next thing here, we have the second moving average, period 21, shift 0, method is linear weight, apply to close, and 4 pieces of black. All right, then you click on done. The next thing here, we have relative strength index. Now this is the window indicator 1. Relative strength index period is 12, apply to close. I choose pieces white. Just you can use 1 pieces of white, the color of a background. You don't want these things to show. Just want the color of your background. All right, now the level says is level 10, level 50, and level 90, whereby level 90 is the point of sell and level 10 is the point of buy, which is the oversold level. 90 is the overbought level, and 50 is where you take profit, or you can call it wait or take profit. You can take it as a description. All right, so that is that. Then we have the second moving average here. We have period 1, we have shift, we have exponential, we have close, and I choose 4 pieces of black. This is the moving average on the window indicator 1. Right, so once you are done, you will see something beautiful. Like you will see your screen as beautiful as this. This is the beautiful screen you're going to see. So try it out right now and let us see how effective it is. All right, and give us a feedback as soon as you have tested them. All right, now see entry here. Look at that. You see what I'm saying now? This is a good entry for me. This is a good entry. I'm already seeing the crossover. Now, what is the zoom level? The zoom level is this. This is the lowest zoom level. You can zoom it out once or twice. So this is not the zoom level. Just zoom 2 and zoom 3. Nothing apart from that. Now see the entry point here. You see it. It's already crossed a perfect entry for us to take this trade. All right, based also based on say on the fact that we have, so let us take this entry based on the fact that we also have we also have a higher time frame support. We can take this trade for a long time because we have a long term. Even if it will spike, we'll set our stop loss above somewhere here. We took a stop loss somewhere there, but we will hold this trade even if it's spike catch us because this is already qualifying with this higher time frame. Okay, so we can take our stop loss somewhere here, or if you like, you can take it above. All right, so that is why you apply risk management in case of pullback or a change in direction of the market. So that is just as simple as that. Simple as that. The link to my profile is on this video description. The link to my Telegram channel is also on the link or the on the video description. So you can chat me up to get your free gift or free indicators and all that. Remember, the requirement is subscribe, share, like, comment, and also send me the screenshot of the indicator you want, all right, on Telegram, and I'm going to send it to you ASAP. All right, simple and easy. Invite others. Let's grow together. This is New Year. Let's make a difference. Enjoy.